Hey guys, it's me Lily, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, hey. Today I'm going to be reviewing these glitter slimes and I did put them in the microwave. I'm sorry. I just didn't want them to be super hard because I played with them and they got glitter on my hand. So they are melted, pretty sure. They're I'll show you, very gloopy and melty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this one to sit and review this one. I don't know if this one's gloopy. This one's a little gloopy. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, I'm gonna get my spoon. Ooh, look at that stretch though. So the original one was rock hard. You can do nothing with it. So I'm gonna dump this out. It's really pretty. I like it. Oh my gosh, it is so hot. I'm gonna get the excess from down in here. Look at that piece. That one's pretty. It's a clear putty. That's why the glitter's all spread around, because I played with it before. Whoa, guys. Okay, so if you have this glitter putty, put it in the microwave for 1 minute. It'll completely melt, but it activates itself because I didn't add any activator back to it, and it's starting to get hard again. I don't know why. Softer than before. So we're just gonna move on to the other one, which is this one. Why is it so soapy? That's weird. Whoa, guys, this is cool. It's like the stage when you're activating the slime. Like, it's melted. But I'm pretty sure this one is going to activate itself just like that. But look how pretty. Doesn't look really clear on camera, but look at the spoon. It looks really pretty. But it will focus. It looks kind of like a different color on camera, but it is really pretty in real life. Like, you can really see the purple glitter, and that is really pretty. So, I mean, I think it's starting to activate. No, that's just the top. The bottom, on the other hand, is still really gloopy. Oh my god, look at that stretch. I meant gosh. Ooh, this piece is really good. Look at that. Great. Okay, so this part, on the other hand. So we're gonna dump this out. Whew. I'm gonna use my spoon to get this out. I kind of have to, or else I'll burn myself. Whoa, guys, this is the prettiest slime. Look how clear. It's like an actual slime. It's not that clicky, but very stretchy. Whew. So I definitely recommend buying this if you are allowed to like put your slime in the microwave. I really like this now. It's a lot better than it was before. It still gets glitter on your hands, but not as bad as before. So, I don't know which one I like better. I feel like maybe this one, just because I like the color a lot more. I don't know. think actually this one, because this one is really pretty. And I love the purple glitters. And this one smells really good for some reason. It smells kind of like candy, like grape. So, yeah. Here it is in the little bowl. I don't think it wants to stay. Feels so good. Oh guys, I think it's getting hard again. Yeah. So if you want this to like stay really soft, you'll have to like keep it in the microwave a lot for it to stay soft. Yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button in the face. And comment down below whether you collect slime or not. Or if you've ever bought this. So, yeah. Peace out.